Welcome back to Sijuvlogz. I'm Adrian. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Gopro 10. So this is the GoPro 10 I bought. It comes with a bundle. It includes all these items. So let's begin the unboxing.
So congratulations Adrian, you've got a new GoPro 10. Though it was in the market for quite some time, just because of it's in a bundle, we decided to take that. We have a GoPro 9 too. So you'll see more recordings with the GoPro 10, right Adrian?
Yeah.
Wow, the box looks nice. Oh, superb. So I see there's quite a lot of items in there.
The bundle includes
Oh, that's a 64 GB SD card, huh? And it has some other documents for the registration, manuals. So that's the instruction and some stickers. So you have the helmet mount option is there, and these are the procedures, instruction. So the app is available in the Apple Store. We have the QR code option. So simple, everything is simple. Just have to follow the instructions. Then what else, Adrian?
they have some batteries right here.
Oh, there are two batteries. Generally they give one battery, so with the bundle that has two batteries.
Yeah. And this is the nose screw, I think.
No, that's a thumb screw.
Oh. So here's the mount.
Yeah,
And this is
the adhesive.
sticky mount.
Yeah, for the car and stuff you can do that. That's good.
This is the charger for those batteries.
Yeah, you can charge two batteries simultaneously.
And this is the GoPro 10.
Yeah, that's the GoPro 10. And the lens is again removable. And what's under this battery charger?
I think it's actually some cords for the
Can
battery.
you just take it out, please?
Yeah.
Oh, there are two cords. So possibly one for the battery, the other one should be for the downloading and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a good bundle. So we got this for a good deal actually. And since this GoPro has been in the market for quite some time, so maybe towards the end they might have come down with the price. And since this was in a bundle, we decided to buy. Alright, now you have GoPro 9 and now the new GoPro 10. Not new, very soon GoPro 11 will be out in the market.
Yeah.
Anyway, something better to try with. So you'll see, in fact you'll be showing more videos, Adrian, with the GoPro 10,
Yes.
right? So better videos we expect. There are negatives also, but it's okay. Let's see the positive and go. Alright?
Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Au revoir.